in Cavos, we thought it would be a fun idea to vlog today because we're taking a trip down to the beach.
Waking up at 5 a.m. and
It's,
then
wait, what time is it?
right now
It's 6:51, but we woke up at 5 a.m, drove around and I had to pack.
So our plan for the day is to go to the
we're
beach.
at Starbucks because we're so ridiculously tired.
Our plan is to go to the beach and sleep in a car, and then
So we're sleeping in a car tonight.
take the train the next morning.
I can't function.
That's stupid.
What? Oh, what? Like, what? It doesn't work. Okay, so we're having a debate. Please leave in the comments down below.
Oh my god.
If
Croissant or
Croissant.
croissant,
Croissant.
it's
She was
croissant,
friends where she goes, please save me my croissant.
croissant.
You cannot.
No,
say that
I said, should I
casually.
eat my croissant?
You cannot say
sorry.
that casually. Like, absolutely not.
Oh, and we have ice pops in the morning. It's nice. It's good. It's kind of cold today, so I don't really know why we're going to the beach, but look at that. Holy fuck.
Oh my
Wait,
God.
look at this lighting. This is amazing.
What?
Ooh.
Oh, I can see the
Ooh. Ooh.
Every time I say the
We look
okay
so
vlog, I'm just coming on here to say that Tanisha is so chips.
I'm not fucking
So
chips.
Leave in the
okay?
comments down
No,
below.
if anything, get the popsicle out of my fucking face. I'm not chips. They're chips.
You're so fucking
You're
chips.
fucking chips.
Leave in
They're
the
so
comments
chips.
below if Tanisha's
Move!
chips.
Stop.
Tanisha is. Oh, cheers. Oh, Tanisha is so chips.
Hey! Get out of my car. Get out of my car.
See, that's chips. So chips.
Not chips.
We're just waiting for KDQ.
I'm gonna become David Dobrik. Fuck you. I mean, I love you. Sorry. Like he's gonna fucking watch
SeatGeek
it. Like,
sponsor
fuck
me.
you. SeatGeek.
Where my Tesla?
Oh, so guys, this video is that was chips.
Sponsored by croissants.
It's sponsored by
I don't understand why you guys eat the topping of
SeatGeek.
popsicles. I just took the topping off.
Why?
I don't know, it's just like gross.
We're gonna copyright it. Turn it down.
Copyright. Are we YouTubers?
Oh yeah, we are.
Oh my god, we're YouTubers. Okay, I don't want to waste my fucking storage. Stop this.
Don't
So,
stop it.
cheers. See you later.
Bah! So fucking chips. Napkin.
What'd you do?
You don't have to
So
vlog every...
fucking chips.
You don't have to
So
vlog.
chips. Fuck you.
That was pretty chips.
Chips.
Wee!
Fucking chips.
The chippiest.
Wait, hiya. Okay, update. We're with Caitlin now. Say hi.
I don't...
Mine.
Fuck off.
What am I saying?
Be like, hey, it's Meadow. Just wanted to let you know.
Gabby's personality.
They just want
I'm a zebra. So we arrived at Seaside, but we're not here yet, so we're getting changed in a grimy ass motherfucking 7-Eleven bathroom, and I am not down for that, but you know what? Do it for the vlog. I don't like this. I don't like it. I don't like it.
Is she already in there?
My keys are back. 0 out of 10. Never doing that again. About to go in the ocean. Do you want to go in the ocean? That's a no.
Kinda chips.
chips.
Oh my god, you weren't even in it.
Hey.
Just laying here, barbecue sauce on titties. $2. Gum covered in sand.
$2.
You have to chew it though. You have to chew it.
I'm not giving you anything.
Chew it.
You have to chew it.
You have to chew it, like chew it. I don't. Do I want to say? Ew! ASMR. What are you doing? Hey, I don't. Ew. Meadow. That's so gross. We have left the beach and now we're on our way to the next destination.
I'm super tan.
She's super tan.
Tanisha destroyed our moat, and now I'm really sad.
Okay, they built this fucking shitty wall.
Look at my hair. Tanisha did it.
Trump was quaking. So cute. Meadow, you're like no. But anyway, yeah.
Look at my non-existent titties.
Today's. Okay, my hair looks like ass right now. I don't know what's going on, but we are fine. Vlogging's fun. I can't speak. We're on the pier walk. What is it? The boardwalk. I don't know what shit's called. Okay. And that I had to.
We should set up a booth where people pay to talk to Tanisha.
Yeah, right. That would make bank.
Why would you want to take your phone on that?
Yeah, you'd lose it.
Okay, first malfunction of the day. Someone parked like a fucking asshole, and we can't get out of our parking space. So always fun. The thing's going crazy. Hey, welcome back to the vlog. I'm fucking angry right now. This is gonna be a major transition for you guys because who's you guys? No one's fucking watching this. The fuck? Like anyway, this is gonna be like I was just chilling at the fucking beach, yeah, just loving life, and then no.
We realized that our train, we read the train schedule wrong. The train didn't come at 6. It arrived at our destination at 6. So we're waiting here. We got a 45-minute Uber, then we have to wait 30 minutes
for the train
and a 3-hour train ride. So, she's so mad and I'm scared.
Like, do I look fucking amused right now? Like, I'm so, like, it was a
So
fucking waste of time. I didn't come here to drive the fuck around. I came here to go to the beach with my friends. And we have literally basically, like, in total, like, 5 hours. We just have to, like, be here. Like,
The beach day didn't go as planned exactly.
no, we didn't. Look at my fucking face.
I had fun for the first hour. And now...
My hand's getting tired. Hold it.
now I just want to go home. I'm not in a good mood. Yeah,
So, sorry for the, like, Debbie Downer vibes and, like, the huge transition, but, like, I'm fucking mad.
I'm scared. She's so
Oh,
mad.
and by the way, this train station is sketchy as fuck. I want to go home. Get me the fuck home. Get me back to the beach. That's all I want. Like, get me back to the beach. So we just came to the conclusion that this is so chips.
This is so chips. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry.
So chips.
We almost got on the wrong train. That would
Oh.
really chips.
That would have been a chip day. That would have been chippy. I'm going insane. Oh god, I look so tired. Why did I get up at 5 a.m. just to be sat in a fucking train station?
I'm sad.
Oh, I was just gonna say the train fucked off and here comes another one. Oh, but like,
Is that the train?
blue skies.
Is that the train?
Better not be the train. No, it's the overall look. Look at it. Just like, I don't want to fucking kill him. Look a fucking chicken. Oh god. Do you know what? I'm gonna vlog like this now. Correction, rooster. Rock, paper, scissors. Oh, my face next to a fucking rooster.
No, it's something.
It's not and, bitch. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. It's not a quiet cut. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yeah.
Okay, I get it. You're from England, but this is not how you do it in America. Okay.
Okay, let's do it on scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Yeah, let's do that. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors. Fuck, man. I went like this as well. Oh. Rock, paper, scissors.
Oh.
I'm doing it again. Rock, paper.
chopsticks?
I don't know how to play that.
I'll teach you. Let's do a time lapse of our entire
Okay.
train ride. We are on the train. We have a 3-hour train ride ahead of us. Wish us luck.
Back a little over. Exit where you see stairs only. All tickets advanced now, please. If you usually like to take a feature on your smartphone, please have the tickets purchased.
Smartphone.
Once again, a little
Oh, there's a ticket man coming. Dude, you have such a small head. Fuck off. Ew! I'm gonna cut all that out because that's fucking disgusting.
Can you please send that to me?
Yes. Ooh, looking smooth.
Correction on that, folks. Our first station stop will be Monmouth Park. Monmouth Park, first stop. If you're exiting from Monmouth Park, exit between the first two.
Ew! What is that? What is this? I'm pulling trick. The train's starting to fill up and my hair still looks like shit. That's nothing's changed there. Hang on, let me. Okay, so the train is starting to fill up and like I don't like people, so I was trying to go to the bathroom. The toilet wouldn't flush, and I went to like wash my hands and the water like smells like rust and damp, and I need to wash my hands ASAP. Good news, we're off the train. Bad news, we've got another one to catch. We took so long trying to figure out.
We have no idea where we're going.
Wait, no, we have no idea. Wait, where's? Okay, do you know what? Never mind. Bye.
You slide on the railing. No!
You're kidding. There's no train. There's no train. Fuck off. Yeah, 5:23. Departs 5:23. You're kidding. What time is it?
4:40.
Well,
Get comfy.
You're fucking shitting me right now. So as you can tell from my previous clip, we missed the train. Going good. Now we have to wait an hour until the next one.
Wish us luck.
Dude, I just want to go the fuck home. I want to go home. I'm so tired. I woke up at 5 a.m. just to have a disappointing day. So the guy like right next to us has been constantly like choking. He goes, and then like every like 10 seconds he goes. Can you hear it? Wait. So we have another update, and this time it's very interesting. We found out some tea, didn't we? We found out some tea, but we're not talking about it. We're not talking about it. It's all good, but I am literally gonna kiss the ground when we get home. Like I am so fucking. This is like one of the shittest days. Like I was so excited for this day, and it was just fucking shit. Like. And we're
Fucking God.
home. So Mackenzie's walking home, I'm walking home. We're meeting up later, but I thought I should just end the shitey vlog here. So there you go.